Earth. Today, we're going to be talking about something super important and super hot. Too hot. Global warming. That's when the planet gets warmer because of pollution and too many greenhouse gases. And no, greenhouse gases are not for trapped in a greenhouse. Although, cows are involved. Now, let us welcome our first guest, polar bears.
Is anyone else boiling? I'm a polar bear, not a tropical bear.
What's happening to your home?
The Arctic ice is melting. My atom is disappearing.
That sounds serious.
It is. I sat on an iceberg and it added to a paddle.
Oh no!
I used to relax on giant ice sheets. Now I basically float on ice cream.
That's a problem. How can humans help?
Use less energy, recycle, work instead of driving sometimes, and protect nature.
And also stop throwing rubbish everywhere.
Yes, I found a plastic sandwich bag in the ocean. And I don't even like sandwiches.
Our next guest is deeply rooted in this problem. Tree! Hello, so very late. I got stuck in traffic. Traffic? Ask me very closely. See, why are trees important? Trees clean the air. We're taking carbon dioxide and we give out oxygen. So trees are like giant natural air cleaners? Exactly. We never need batteries. See, how does global warming affect you? Hotter weather, fires can destroy forests. That's terrible. What should kids do? Plants, trees, protect forests, and remember, paper comes from trees. So maybe stop wasting 500 sheets of paper making drawings of potatoes. Hey, my potato art is important. Our next guest is somewhere very chilly, the Arctic. I used to be freezing cold, now I'm just regular cold. What's changing? The ice is melting faster every year. How is that bad? Animals lose homes, sea levels rise, and weather changes around the world. Wow! Also, mosquitoes are showing up. Mosquitoes? Yes, even the mosquitoes are confused. What message do you have for everyone? The planet belongs to all of us. Small actions can make a big difference. Our next guest makes waves everywhere. See! Whoa, loud. And the ocean, I do drama. See, how does global warming affect you? Warmer temperature hurts fish and coral reefs. Melting ice makes sea level rise. That's a flood places near the coast, right? Exactly. Also, humans throw too much plastic into me. I found this flip-flop last Tuesday. Maybe someone's looking for it. I also found 3 rubber ducks. How can humans help? Use less plastic, recycle, and keep beaches and rivers clean. Our next guest is the creature responsible for this whole mess. Human! Hi everyone, I got snacks.
That is exactly the problem.
Human, we need answers. Why do humans like polluting the earth so much? Well, we like cars, factories, electricity, and cutting down forests. And trying to push it to me. Okay, fair point.
My house is melting because of pollution.
I said I'm sorry. Sorry doesn't refreeze ice. Humans burn coal, oil, and gas, right? Yes. And greenhouse gases trap heat around the world. Yes. And humans knew this was happening for years. Maybe. Years? Okay, yes, years.
I knew it.
But not all humans are bad. Some recycle. After using 700 volts of toilet paper. What about all the plastic? And trying to use it. I found a toilet in the ocean. caused a lot of destruction. True! But humans can also fix it if we actually work together. That's the smartest thing human has said all day. Can I still have a snack? No! Today, we learned that global warming affects everything.
Even basic popular fire.
And magnificent trees. And romantic ocean. And icy places. But together we can help art. Even children can make a difference. Turn off lights, plant trees, recycle plastic.
Walk instead of driving. Sometimes.
And teach others how to take care of the planet. There is no planet B.
Wow.
Everyone, stay cool. Now allow me to introduce the cast to everyone. The polar bear was played by Gibson. The tree was played by Nicole. The Arctic was played by Sarah. The sea was played by Adipa. The human was played by George. And the host was played by Nariman and Ben. We hope you learned how we can do our part to make the earth a better, happier and safer place. Did you know in 1970 people celebrated the first Earth Day to teach others to protect nature? This helped begin the Go Green movement. I did not know that. What date is Earth Day? It is celebrated on 22nd April every year.